because she's got no cord, she's got no black magic.
हम एक्सप्लेन तो कर दिया क्या कार्ड होते हैं, क्या ब्लैक मैजिक, व्हाइट मैजिक.
That's why I can call her to heal. So she's fine. Navel chakra, sex chakra, all are fine. Okay? Where's the problem, madam?
Cervical. Right side.
Which cervical?
Neck through
Yeah,
shoulder.
madam, there's many cervical. C1, C2,
vertebra,
C3,
कौन से vertebra में
C4.
ये
You don't
मैंने
know.
कभी टेस्ट नहीं करवाया.
You don't know.
Yeah.
Huh? So put the hand this way. See, hand here, this hand is blocked. Energy blocked in this hand. What are you wearing, madam?
देखिए उनका जो हाथ है ना,
Emerald.
She wearing, how long been wearing this?
4 years.
You always
उनका
wear it, huh?
हाथ में एनर्जी ब्लॉक.
Please remove it, madam.
सर को मिला है.
Madam has an emerald on her right hand. Okay, fine. Put here, madam. Fine. How is okay? Inhale, exhale. Slowly.
स्लोली सांस ऊपर तक लीजिए, धीरे से छोड़िए.
No. Inhale nose, exhale nose, not the mouth. Huh? Always inhale with the nose, exhale not the mouth. This is how God has made us. God give the nose, mouth to eat, to throw what you don't like, to stop what is bad for the body. That's the mouth.
Feeling better.
Why, madam?
सर ने आपको हील की नहीं किया, कुछ नहीं किया, कुछ नहीं किया.
Number, madam. Give me a number. Always
10
number.
से 0 तक आप बोलिए कितना? 9.
9 gone and 9 remaining.
Gone.
Gone.
1% अभी
1 remaining.
देखिए
All
9%
because ring.
रिंग खाली
Yes, my friend. Yes, my friend. Yes, my friend.
कुछ नहीं किया.
Wait,
सर हिल
madam.
भी नहीं किया.
You don't realize this.
अभी सर एक्सप्लेन करेंगे क्यों.
Madam.
नहीं भी हो सकता है.
If you want
उनके
cervical
लिए
Want the pain, bear
वही
it.
सर.
If you want cervical.
Listen.
सोना नहीं, वो एमरल्ड पेन.
Sir. This is a very small class. You come to a big class. Headache. 50 people. I heal everybody.
सर जब बड़े क्लास में जाते हैं ना, 50 लोग खाली हेडेक के लिए आते हैं, खाली क्लास में.
Small class.
इधर तो कुछ नहीं
I
है.
remove many things and the pain becomes zero.
खाली ऐसे
So,
उतारने
it's an
से
emerald,
काफी सारे
around it there are
चीज
diamonds.
चले जाते हैं.
Yes, madam? Around diamond. And this can be very, very negative.
ये बहुत ही खराब आपको असर दे सकता है, क्योंकि ये जो है पन्ना के
And
साथ
it stop
हीरा भी है.
it stop the flow of energy in your body.
नहीं, गोल्ड नहीं.
No gold, no. Gold is a metal.
वो पन्ना जो है
It's a
और
stone.
हीरा जो है, ये स्टोन से इफेक्ट कर रहा है.
Why I'm saying, hands up please madam. I'm checking. Fine.
सर ने जैसे चेक
Remove
किया ना
block.
पहले, ये रिमूव, ये जैसे उतारने के पहले क्या
Stop.
देखा उनका ये हाथ
Stop.
में
How
पाम
much, madam?
कहते हैं,
What's the
उसमें
pain number?
एनर्जी ब्लॉकेज है.
Number 0.
Zero.
तो इसीलिए उनको बता रहे हैं. अभी देखिए 0 पेन ही नहीं.
You know my friend, how many people are wearing earrings and got headache? Diamond earrings and got headache?
पंडित तो ये बताते हैं कि ये नग पहन लो, ये मैं पहन लो.
But yeah, you cannot believe, huh? Just cannot believe. Yes, good man. There's no need for all of this. Who is the owner of this? Who's the owner?
ये
Sir, wait. Ask me. Who is the owner of this?
We don't know.
Mother Earth.
Okay.
Who is the owner of this? Why you take it from there? And you put all over your body. Where's the natural beauty, madam? You're very beautiful by yourself, madam. Why you put all things around you? Exactly. We take from Mother Earth and put on our body. This has got something to do with Mother Earth.
ये जो चीज होता है ये धरती माँ की होती है.
Watch.
हम लोग
I'm
उसको
sensing.
खुदाई
See,
करके
I'm just sensing. I'm sensing. Put it back, madam. Put it back.
देखिए उनको फिर से
Hands
पहना
up.
दिया.
Blocks.
अभी देखिए उनको फिर से ब्लॉक मिल रहा है. सर सेंस
Feel
करके
something
ये
happening
चीज
here?
करना.
Something happened.
वो देखिए फिर से दर्द चालू हो गया.
है सर्वाइकल का दर्द फिर वापस आ गया. ये एकदम ऐसे कड़क से आता है.
What's that?
पेन.
ये मतलब
Suddenly it comes.
Exactly. Take it. Down.
उनके लिए ये सूट नहीं.
Put there now.
काफी
Hands
लोगों
up,
को
please.
सूट करता है.
One.
खरीद के पहने.
Fine.
पैसा खर्चा करके ये.
Now. Fine.
He's telling very good things. So we are just buying all the pens.
Exactly. You are. Because this thing, wait, madam, wait, huh?
सर फिर
These things,
मैं तो इसलिए नहीं पहन सकता क्योंकि मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है कि
yes sir,
अच्छी बात है
yes,
मैं बाद में
I'm
भेज नहीं
not
सकता।
joking, I'm not
if
joking.
we are not wearing this, but this is already in our house,
No, no,
then
no.
also it will create
Yes,
problem.
madam, yes. You see, you
Make
must,
it.
see, what is this? What is this? It's a crystal,
Crystal.
okay? This crystal absorbs energy, good and bad.
दोनों ही एनर्जी इसमें आ जाते हैं अच्छा भी
Good
बुरा भी।
and bad. It absorbs. Where's the good energy?
गुड एनर्जी क्या होता है
Where's the good energy, madam?
We are.
You are good energy, madam? Where's the good energy? Show me a place with good energy. I want to know.
कुछ भी कोई भी चीज बताइए जो कोई अच्छा एनर्जी के बारे में आप कुछ सोचने में आ रहे हैं
Where's the good energy?
God.
God? But where's God, madam?
Imagine.
Trust. God, madam.
Praise.
God is not an imagination. God is not an imagination. God has left us here to start our own way and do good things and find a way towards God. When you call God, God will come. But we are calling the wrong God. That's the whole trouble, madam. We're calling the wrong God. You go to South India, there are hundreds and hundreds of gods, madam.
Mahalalita Tripura Sundari Maiya.
Hundreds and hundreds of gods. Who are you calling? This is God. Understand, madam? This is the whole trouble. Man is going out of the whole thing and praying to man, praying to pictures, and praying to all of these things and all. Sir, how old are you, sir?
आपकी आपकी उम्र कितनी है
74
Before the origin of the Punjabis, no, sit down. Before the origin of the Sikhs, before the origin of the Muslim, before the origin of Christian, what was man praying to?
हम लोग कहाँ क्या हम लोग
Nature.
पहले हम लोग किस चीज की
You pray to the
प्रार्थना
sun.
करते थे
You pray to the moon. When you want rain, you look at the sky and say, please give us rain.
All five
Exactly.
elements.
The elements of earth, when man needs these
वो
elements
सारे
of
चीज
earth. We
पूजा
see,
करते थे गाय की
people pray to the land to have more produce.
हम लोग वृंदावन उत्सव
Ask
करते
the
थे
rain to come, to rain to
जैसे
come.
अच्छा फसल हो वो सब
Today,
करते
we have changed and asked man for rain. And then Guruji, this Guruji, give us rain.
थे हम लोग अभी क्या करते हैं क्या कोई गुरु को पकड़ते हैं क्या ये हमारे धरित्री में अच्छा बारिश हो
This is
ऐसे
before
बोलते
the invention of religion.
हैं। जो हमारे पहले
Before,
जाति
long,
क्रिएट
long time
होते हैं
ago.
तो तब कुछ अलग
Nature.
बात था अभी कुछ अलग बात हो गई
So today, because we started doing all the wrong kind of prayers,
हम लोग जैसे उल्टा पुल्टा जो भी प्रार्थना करते हैं उसको खत्म करके अभी अच्छा फिर से वो पुराना जमाने में जाना है
God has left us.
हमको छोड़ के भागे भगवान
The rivers are dry.
देखिए कितना नदी सूख गया
People are digging down to 300 meters and water is
बोरवेल
not
जैसे
coming.
होता है कितना खराब गंदा पानी
How
निकालते
can
हैं
this come to us? When man is doing so much harm to nature.
हम लोग उसको बर्बाद कर रहे हैं खुद ब खुद
One fly eating cow. One fly eating all the chicken.
कोई
One
चिकन
fly shooting all the birds and killing all the birds.
पूरा चिकन खा रहे हैं कोई
Yes.
गाय को खा रहे
So
हैं
yesterday, I had a class in the Jain.
कोई
A lot
सर
of Jain people. उनको देखो.
कल जो
Yeah, a lot of Jains in Liverpool, yes.
I asked,
उदयपुर में थे तो
I
जैन
asked,
लोग
the
भर्ती
whole world was Jains.
Okay.
Who will be happy?
The cows.
All the animals will be happy.
जो सर ने पूछे
Yes
क्या
or no, sir?
ये पूरी
All animals will
जैन
be happy.
लोग भर जाते
The
हैं
birds,
तो कौन लोग
the
खुश होंगे
chicken, the
क्या वो
fish.
जानवर लोग
All
खुश
be happy.
होंगे
Now,
क्योंकि उन लोग नहीं
the
खाते
whole world was Muslim. What happened? All the goats will be happy.
पूरी
I'm
मुसलमान
going to die
को भर
tomorrow.
जाए
I'm going to die
तो
tomorrow.
सारे जानवर अभी
Yesterday,
दुखी हो
in
जाएंगे
USA, one of the
क्योंकि
hotel
इतना
got a
काटते
license
Yes, sir.
for human flesh.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday in USA, one of the hotel got a license for human flesh.
Human flesh.
human flesh they could
In
one of the
License.
yes license
License to sell.
To serve
to sell human flesh
to serve.
Maybe the dead people, they come and sell. The dead people, they cut the dead
Yes,
people.
yes, yes.
Organ donation. Okay, we cook the liver now. We cook the heart now. Oh my God.
human
And he has been fighting for this case for last 8 years. The government had to give
Can
change.
you imagine how man has
If
become
you,
so
you're fighting
beginning
against
himself?
a mad person, you can't do much. If your head is or head of state is someone like Donald Trump,
Exactly,
he's
wrong
going to give you
life.
license. He's going to make money off it. He's going to give you license for anything you
And
want.
people will just come to try it. Oh, I ate human flesh before. And they will come and do this kind of stuff. Some people say the whole world is going up. So, how can God come? When you call God, God will say, you change yourself and then I will come. You don't change, how can I come? Understand? Where should the water come from, sir? Where should water come from? Must come from the ocean. You bless the ocean.
समंदर से पानी आते हैं ना, वो आना चाहिए पर आ नहीं रहा है.
Understand?
कोई
So whatever,
मतलब वो बैलेंस ही खत्म हो गया.
whatever river you have, whatever lake you have, it evaporates and comes back as rain. That's all.
ऐसे
But if you
बारिश
want
के
rain in
पानी आना
abundance, it must come from the ocean.
Yeah.
You must bless the ocean. That's what we teach. You bless the ocean
तो हम
and the
लोग
water
को
will come.
उसके लिए प्रार्थना करना चाहिए. वो
And
प्राणा
before
वाले
the
से-
ocean gives you the rain, the mountains will stop it.
वो पहले ये पहाड़ उनको
Because
stop
it
बंद
cannot
कर
cross the mountain.
क्योंकि आना ही नहीं दे रहे हैं. हम लोग ही उसको बिगाड़ दिया
So
ना.
you must pray to the mountain. Please let that clouds
वो
go.
उसको हमको प्रार्थना करना है क्या हमारे इधर भेजो.
See, you have the Arabian Ocean, okay, and you got Kerala. The mountain range in Kerala, the mountains cannot cross and go to
केरल में
Andhra
क्या होता
Pradesh,
है?
cannot go to
वो जो
Karnataka.
अरब सागर से जाते हैं ना, वो बारिश उधर गिरना चाहिए पर हो ही नहीं
So
रहा.
not only must bless the ocean, must bless also the mountain.
हमको
And the wind
वो
and the clouds.
पर्वत के लिए भी करना
So many
चाहिए,
things.
नेचर के लिए करना चाहिए, वायु के लिए करना चाहिए, जैसे हम लोग पहले पूछते
And we
थे.
are spending time and doing pujas and pujas and pujas and pouring the cow milk. Where God going to come, sir?
हम
No,
लोग जैसे
you're a
पूजा
Punjabi.
करते हैं.
You're a Punjabi, huh? You pour cow milk on your book.
आप क्या ग्रंथ साहिब के ऊपर ऐसे गाय के दूध ऐसे छिड़क देते हैं?
No. Yes or no?
क्यों नहीं करते?
For the Hindus, how much cow milk they pour?
Yeah.
हम लोग क्या करते हैं? शिव जी के ऊपर
Because we become more
दूध डाल
ritualistic.
देते हैं.
Exactly.
ऐसे ऐसे
So
करते हैं.
now God is asking you, I give you the cow, I give you the grass, I give you the rain, I give you the sunshine, you give you the milk to drink, or for the baby, you go and pour on the drain. So what does he give it? No more giving milk to you. No more giving.
भगवान क्या
No more
करते
giving
हैं?
milk.
भगवान हमारे ऊपर गुस्से में चढ़ के बोलते हैं, देखो गाय दिया है, उसका दूध दिया है, उसका सब कुछ दिया है, देखो उसको खाने के लिए भी घास दे दिया, पर आप क्या कर रहे हो? उसके ऊपर मेरे ऊपर ही चढ़ा रहे हो.
Sir.
और वो तो मेरे को चाहिए नहीं.
Sir, how big is this room? How big, yeah? During Mahasivaratri,
शिवरात्रि के
all
इस
over
टाइम में क्या
India,
होता है?
all over Malaysia, all over where the Hindus are, how much milk they pour on that day?
जितना भी हिंदू है,
It all goes down the drain.
Wait,
It all
madam.
goes down
How
the drain.
big is this room? How much of milk they pour on that one
ये
day?
जो रूम, ये जो घर है ना, ये जो रूम हम लोग देख रहे हैं, एक ही दिन में इससे ज्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं, क्योंकि मलेशिया सर के देश में भी वो
Singapore,
होता है.
Mauritius, in
सारे
all
जगह
over the
पे
world.
जिधर भी हिंदू लोग
How much of
हैं,
milk
एक
they pour?
शिवरात्रि वाले दिन
How big this size?
कितना दूध
10 times?
ऐसे डालते
20
हैं.
times? How much of milk they have to pour? And where is it going?
कहाँ पर जा रहे हैं? पानी में जा रहे हैं, नाले पे जा रहे हैं. वो तो कोई खाने का
Lucky
उपयुक्त नहीं
the
है.
Punjabis don't do that. Otherwise, all the Punjabi temple will pour milk also.
पंजाबी लोग ऐसे नहीं करते, और सब बहुत बड़े खुशी होता है पंजाबी लोगों
So,
के साथ
madam,
बात करके.
I feel very relaxed.
Very good, madam.
देखिए
Please,
उसको
madam.
दर्द ही नहीं है.
Think about it. Think about it. Huh? I'm checking. Huh? Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 souls are stuck in this crystal.
ये देखिए इसमें 10 आत्माएं अभी घुसे हुए हैं.
10 souls.
आज ये बीमारी आपने उतार के इनको दे दिया.
10 souls, madam.
ये
Hello.
क्लीन हो जाएगा.
What is
हो
it?
गया. Oh, I explained everything.
10 souls are stuck in this crystal.
So he is telling, she just give you all this.
You know what's the best part? You know what's the best part, sir? This
ये
emerald, zero resale value.
जब पन्ना बेचने के लिए जाएंगे ना, जितने में आप खरीदोगे,
Do you know, madam?
उससे बहुत ही कम, कुछ वापसी नहीं मिलती, रिटर्न नहीं आता.
When you buy, you pay so much of money.
आपको
When you
देने
want to
के लिए
resell,
कुछ नहीं मिलेगा.
zero.
और आप जब खरीद रहे हो, तब
Except for diamonds.
ये
Diamonds
जो
have money.
हीरा
But
जो है,
not
उसमें
all
मिलता
the
है.
colored stones. You must understand this, but there's no resale value for colored stones.
There was this one thing you had mentioned before that Africa